This is a GCSE question. This could be a stats or a maths. You're underlining, you're going to do stuff while you're working through it. So a marble is taken from a jar, right? The jar shows the probabilities. So we all know the probability of taking a white is 0.1 less than the probability of taking a black. So I'm going to say black minus 0.1. So I need to complete the table. So I know yellow 0.15 plus 0.4, which is x minus 0.1, plus my black, which is x, equals 1. So I've now got an equation to solve. That gives me, let's deal with collect the like terms. Do that on the calculator. 0.15 plus 0.4, take 0.1, gives me 0.45. So 0.45 plus x equals 1. So 2x plus 0.545 equals 1. So 2x equals 0.55. Take that away. So x equals 0.55 divided by 2, which is 0.27. I'm just going to do that on the calculator. 1 minus 0.45 equals, divided by 2 equals format decimal. X equals 0.275. So that means black, which is x, is 0.275. Take the 1 away. Sorry, take the 0.1 away. Gives me 0.1. So let's just clear that on the calculator. 0.275, take 0.1, gives me format decimal 0.175. Right, now I don't like those numbers, they look strange, so I'm just going to add them up to check that that does equal 1. It looks like I've made a mistake, however, it could just be it's a funny question. So add that, add the 0.4, add the 0.15, gives me 1. So those are my correct answers. Right, now funny question, strange question, and it works, but it works. There are 80 orange marbles in the drawer. So, and it says work out the total number of there. So 40, 0.4 is orange. That is 80. 0.4 is 40%. So 40% is 80. Lots of ways of doing this. I'm going to work out what 10% is by dividing it by 4. Gives me 20, because I know that I want 100%. Sorry, I wasn't clear enough. All the marbles in the jar is 100% of the marbles. So if I get 40%, I can find 10% and get it up. There are lots of ways of doing that. Times that by 10, using my calculator, gives me 200. So there are 200 in the jar. Really clear, write those calculations. There is one student I once taught who is retaking their GCSEs because they did not write the calculations. They made a little mistake here, and if they'd written the calculations, they would have got the marks even though they made a mistake. Really well done. Thank you for revising, and remember to write your work.